My name's Good afternoon. My name's Dũng. What's your name?
My name is Dũng.
Yeah, can you tell me about you?
Uh,
Look at the teachers. Name, age, school, address, hobby. Talk about you.
My name is Dũng.
Put your hand out pocket. Yes. And look at the teachers. Your class, school, age. What do you like doing?
My is class 5B.
I am
In class 5B.
What is your school name?
My school
Name.
My school name is Minh Khai. Primary school.
Yes. What is your address? Group or number, street, city? My address is number. You can say number or group. Which group? You don't know? Ở tổ mấy cũng không biết á, nhà mình ở tổ mấy không biết à? My address is in group 17. Minh Khai Wood, Bắc Cạn City. What do you often do in the morning?
I often brush my teeth.
Yes.
And breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Breakfast.
Go on. What time do you go to school?
East.
Not it. I. Look at the teacher. Look at the teachers. I go to school. Look at me. I go to school.
I go to school
At
at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Right. Where did you visit last summer? I visited. Where? Hà Nội or a beach or somewhere. Where did you visit? I visited. Huế City. You say Huế City. How did you get there? By motorbike, by coach, by bus, by train. You visited Huế by train. You got there by train. What did you do there?
I did.
What did you do there? I Did you eat the food? Did you visit the city, or did you go to pagodas, like that? Ở đấy mình đi đến thành phố đấy thì mình đã làm gì nhỉ? Mình nói ra.
I go to the kinh thành Huế.
I go to Huế, Imperial city, or you just say Imperial city. How many lessons do you have on Monday?
I have 7 lessons.
Yeah. What are they?
They are
Math?
English.
Yes.
Art.
Yes.
Vietnamese.
Okay, good. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite is
My favorite subject.
My favorite subject is math.
Okay. Can you look at these pictures and tell me what is the name of the sport?
My sports. My
Picture zero. They are. What are they doing?
They are playing chess.
Playing.
Chess.
Yes.
Picture 1. They are playing hide and seek.
Playing.
Hide and seek.
Yes.
Picture 2. They are playing the table tennis. Picture 3. They are playing football. Picture 4. They are playing
Blind man's block.
blind man blocks. Picture 5. They are playing volleyball. Picture 6. They are playing.
He not they are. He is
playing
skipping. Yes.
Picture 7. He is playing.
No. He is skating.
Skating.
Yes.
Picture 8. They are playing badminton.
Okay. So you finish. Thank you. Quên rất là nhiều nhá. Cái này mà đi thi không có lấy 9 điểm đâu. Bảo các bạn là tí nữa có gọi tiếp sau nhá. Học tiếp đi nhá.